Welcome back to Trash Panda Off-Road. Today we're going to do the interior door handles on my Geo Tracker. When we were up wheeling in Canada, I ended up breaking the door handle. Oh, you can see it's pretty good broken there. Look at that. So, let me show you guys how to fix it. It's not that difficult. Probably one of the harder parts is finding the pieces. I've been collecting these anytime I had a parts car. Been ripping them out so I can keep them. If you don't have one of these, lots of places sell them. Highway 83 I'm sure has them. Trail Tough has a, sorry, not Trail Tough. Yeah, Trail Tough. They have a wrecking yard on their facility. As well as I have a couple of friends that sell parts, so if you need one, let me know. And the one I brought out is a passenger side. Let's go in the shop and hope I have a driver's side. Inside my messy shop, I have a boxes. Outside, lights, because I'm a sucker for lights. I have a lot of lights. And inside. So hopefully there is a driver on the inside box. That looks like a driver, right? Hey, I have a driver's side. Got the El Camino out in the yard. Gonna go to a car show with it tomorrow instead of wheeling, and hopefully Sabrina will be in the mood to go out, maybe go have a drink or something tonight, go out to dinner. That'd be nice. Sticking with my theme, make sure it's a driver, sticking with my theme of undoing as little stuff as possible, we're gonna just pull this screw and see if we can wiggle this thing out enough to get to, basically there's a bar that goes in right here. You can probably see it through the broken section. Right there. That bar right there. That's what pulls to open the door. So we'll undo that with a Phillips. See how far we have to dig into it. Got the screw out. And yeah, see it comes out. And these clips right here, these are always broken. This is what holds that bar in. So gonna probably best if I did this with two hands. But we're gonna try to pop that bar out of that hole. Looks like we're getting it. Maybe. Oh, I got it. All right. You see on the new one, it's broken because they're always broken. So I'm gonna carefully, boy, this thing's seen better days. I'm gonna carefully try to remove that and switch it over to this one. That's definitely gonna take two hands. Well, I pinched the very first one and it went kink, made a loud cracking noise, and it broke right there. Hopefully this one doesn't do the same thing, but probably will because it's old plastic. Let's see. Yes, doesn't sound broken. All right. So now we'll drop it into here. All right. So this one still has a screw in it. We'll pull that screw out. Then we're going to try to fit that arm back into here. And then you swing. So slide it in. This will be from the back. You put the bar back down in here, and then you bring this around to clip onto the bar. It sounds easy enough, but with old plastic pieces, you never know what's going to happen. That went surprisingly smooth. Got it all in there like it's supposed to be. Now we'll just maneuver that back into place. I think it should. Right there. And a screw. Screwdriver. All right. Sounds like it works. Yeah, all right, look at that. Fixed door handle, just like that. Took hardly any time at all. And I'm gonna take this one here, and the case is garbage, but the actual door handle section itself, if I can get it off of there with one hand, I'm gonna keep that because a lot of times these also break right here, right there. So I'm gonna hold on to that, and this will just go into the garbage. So, hey, just in time too, it's starting to sprinkle. That means I'm putting the El Camino away. Not that it can't get rained on, it's just I don't want it to. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that video helped. Just a little something quick and easy project anybody can do. Only took one screwdriver. Follow along, Trash Panda Off-Road on the Instagram. Post daily updates there on all the cool stuff we're doing and all the wheeling trips we're going on. I'm going to start working on this Green Samurai soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel when we start tearing into that bad boy. It's going to be a lot of fun.